What's happening right now in US real estate and investor migration? Big question is it Zohran Mamdani's shock win in New York City going to trigger a flight of capital or an opportunity for cities like Miami? New Yorkers elected Mamdani as their new mayor. For the luxury and commercial real estate world, especially here in Miami, alarm bells are ringing. Could we see an exodus of wealthy New Yorkers relocating? And should Miami really prepare for takeoff? Let's unpack this. First, what did Mamdani run on? He campaigned as a democratic socialist, promising bold initiatives like free public transit, a $30 minimum wage, rent freezes on certain units, and higher taxes on top earners. Well, for wealthy homeowners, investors, and high net worth individuals in New York, that kind of policy agenda raises questions. Will I still be welcome? Will my tax burden go up? Will regulatory risks increase? Well, this is step one in why we are watching this. Step two is, what does this mean for destinations like Miami? Here in Miami, we are already seeing trends: remote work, migration of capital, lifestyle shifts. So if New York becomes more expensive or less appealing for certain investors, Miami may quickly move up their shortlist. So the quick questions remains: should Miami prepare for a takeoff? The answer is absolutely. And here is why. One, it's tax and regulatory arbitrage. If New York's top earners face heavier tax burdens or stricter regulation, that increases the appeal of alternative hubs. Like number two, lifestyle and mobility. High net worth individuals now value flexibility, privacy, tax-friendly states, and global connections. Miami offers all of that. Number three, investment reallocation. When capital starts to move, smart investors look for markets with upside, where they can have strong infrastructure, international access, and a favorable tax environment. Again, Miami checks all those boxes. But let's be clear, this isn't a guarantee. New York still has a world-class brand, like finance, media, institutions, and global influence that won't vanish overnight. If too many people start moving too fast, Miami risks overheating with price inflation, regulatory pushback, and affordability issues. So you've got to be ready with the product, the narrative, and the infrastructure to absorb this capital. For my clients, that's international investors, relocation buyers, and opportunity-driven enterprises, the message is simple. Prepare, don't wait. Here is what I recommend if you are investing or advising in this space. 1. Stay aware of policy changes in New York and follow new tax proposals, housing mandates, and migration data. They're all leading indicators. And I will say number 2, it's gonna be position your Miami offering. Whether it's luxury condos, commercial hubs, or relocation services, you need a clear, ready value proposition. Tax-friendly, lifestyle-rich, and globally connected. Number 3, educate your buyers. For both international investors and US clients, show them you are ahead of the curve. If they're debating whether to stay in New York or relocate to Florida, be the trusted voice. In short, the window of opportunity may be opening, and move early, move smart, and don't hesitate to ask any questions you may have, and I'll be ready to answer for it. So should Miami prepare for a takeoff? Yes, not because we are chasing someone else's exodus, but because we are ready to capture the shift. And the real question is, are you ready to act? I'm Cristina, and if you are exploring relocation, investment, or strategy in the luxury and commercial space, especially following New York's new direction, subscribe, follow, or reach out, because this is where the next big opportunity is building. Thanks for watching.